Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the Bill of Exchange. Method number 3, endorsement of bill. Method number 4, bill sends for collection. These are the two further rights related to the drawer. Now method number 3 is endorsement of the bill if drawer endorse the bills to the third party. What do you mean by the endorsement of the bill? When the bill endorsed by the drawers to any other person or to the third party, called as endorsement of the bills, and the bill will be received by the endorsee. Now the person who transfer the bill, who has the right to transfer, is called as endorser. The person who received the endorsed bill is called as endorsee. Now the example of the endorsement of the bills cases is same when the Niyati sold the goods to Nidhi. It means in the first is the same entry will be passed like the Niyati is selling the goods and Nidhi is purchasing the goods. There is no change till here. Now second is on the same day Niyati draws the bill for the 1 month. The entry is same. Niyati is writing the bill receivables to Nidhi and the Nidhi is accepting the bill Niyati to bills payable on 5th May. Now I am moving to the next conditions endorsement of the bill, that means on 10th May Niyati endorsed the bill because the right always remains to the drawer, means the here the Niyati is drawer. So the Niyati endorsed the bills to the creditor Ronak. Now this is the dealing between the Niyati and Ronak. So no entry will be passed in the books of Niti. So Niyati in the books of Niti and Ronak, what will be the entries on the 5th, 10th May? The bill is endorsing to the Niyati. So Ronak is the receiver. So the Ronak account is debited to bill receivables 8,000. Now bill is moving towards Ronak. So now the bill is debit and credit word is referring to the now bill is balance is zero in the books of Niyati. But this entry will not be passed in the books of Nidhi, but in the books of Ronak, because the Ronak is receiving the bill receivable account debit to Niyati. So it means he is receiving the amount from Niyati. That's why the bill receivable body is here. So the next is the conditions number. Now on the due dates, the amount is matured on the due dates. It means Nidhi will pay the amount. Now you may see the entries now. Bill payables to bank or cash account as according to the conditions has removed the liabilities. There is no change in the books of Niyati, and but now in the books of Niyati, now the for receiving of the bill Niyati, no entry will be passed on the due date because now bill is not in the hand of Niyati. So the person who holding the bill will receive the money from Nidhi. So here the Nidhi is paying, now the Ronak is receiving the bill. So the bank account debits to bill receivable account is to be done in the books of Ronak who is receiving the amount. This entry is the endorsement of bill, and the fourth method is reference to the bill sends for collection. When the bill sends for collection by the drawer, it is only sent to the bank for keeping the bill till the date of maturity and then collects the money from the drawee on the due dates. It is not a discounting case, it is only the as a customer of the bank means the giving the right to the bank to receive the money. So bank will only debit it only the amount when the actually the amount is received. Same example is there, goods sold, and the second is bill writing, and on the 5th May bill sends for collections now, and then the amount is received. So you may see the here entries in the books of Niyati. Nidhi has sold the goods and the Nidhi has purchased the goods. Now you may see purchase to Niyati. Niyati has written the bill now, bill receivables to Nidhi and the writing of the bill, and Niyati is accepting the bill of Niyati. Nidhi is accepting. And now next is now on 5th May the bill sent for collection by the Niyati. So this is the dealing between the bank and the bank is receiving. Nidhi don't stand anywhere, that's why no entry will be passed in the books of Nidhi. Now the entry in the books of drawer is bill sends for collections to the bill receivable account 8,000. And the on the due dates, Nidhi will pay the amount bill payables to bank. Now who will receive the money? Bank account is, because the Niyati is receiving bill is till the date of to the drawer, but he has given to the bank to receive. So the bank money will come through the bank. So the bank account debits to the bill receivable. So these are the four cases. Actually, these are the four cases. The right has to be Niyati, means the drawers to pass the entry. In the books of Nidhi, in all the four cases, no entry, no system has been changed. In the all the cases, entries are same. Only the changes are in the books of drawer. Thank you.